Okay, please start with your name.
Buck Rogers.
And your real name? Alex Chapman.
For legal reasons that cannot be disclosed.
My name's Ben.
Eddie.
I'm Joanna Campbell.
I'm Mark Smith.
My name's Todd Chapman.
Hello everyone, my name is Warren.
My name is Paul Chapman.
My name's Rick.
My name is Rahula. Sadiq Rahman.
My name is Samir Verma.
What do you love about your job?
Friends we've made, both outside and inside the company.
Chicken souvlaki Friday.
I'm understanding here everything. I'm understand the part. I learn everything here. It gives you the opportunity to challenge yourself and do better.
Being surrounded by people who just are really passionate about what they do.
Australian Turntable is not just a job, it's a everyday emotion for me.
It's an opportunity to share my skills and my experience with the team.
It means that it's family owned, it's Australian.
Installing a simple solution to sometimes complex problems.
How would you describe Australian Turntables?
We are not selling turntables, we are selling space.
A dysfunctional family that everybody loves.
It's an expanding business with a unique product and huge potential.
A fun place to be.
And helping customers achieve dreams they never really had.
Turntables can change people's living.
Turning the world around the Australian way.
Turning the world around the Australian way. Turning the world around the Australian way.
Turning the world around the Australian way.
Turning the world around the Australian way.
Turning the world around the Australian way.
Turning the world around the Australian way.
Turning the world around the Australian way.